Interesting. Interesting indeed. That's unexpected. That might be an OpenBSD problem. Because I don't think that should happen. Hi. And we'll just high 2. I'll go high 3. It's a great debugging technique. High 2 is okay. And then, can I do this? I can. Cool. And then if we go client.auth test, we don't need these. Interesting. I wonder if that was optimized out. Yeah, I know. Sag. Let's just return. Let's go format.println auth.userid. Is this syntax not valid? Am I wrong? Oh, I got them the wrong way around. No, I'm dumb. I got my error and my not error the wrong way around. Yay, we are authenticated. This is a beautiful moment. Okay, so that was pretty easy to get started with. We got a client. So what we really want to do is find this minimal example. Okay, socket mode, which comes from where? It comes from here. And Slack events. Okay. In range client events. Okay, so we've got interactive /command. Connecting stuff. Okay. So a bunch of bullshit. Client run. Oh, this is just a background. There's not even a channel here. Okay, let's go take a look at this socket mode. Okay. What are we, 0.15? I don't know what I guessed. I can't remember. 0.15? Yeah, looks good. Indirect. Fair enough. Wait. Who? No, I thought this was the uBlock origin guy, but I think that's something else. Apps connection open. Okay. I see. This is if you call apps connections open, maybe? Yeah, this. If you call this method, it will tell you the open connections. All right, that's fine. But it looks like we need to launch a Go routine. Okay, let's go take a look at the socket mode. The only thing is I wish I knew how. Is it a separate module entirely? Maybe. Okay, it might be a valid Go mod. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it just requires a bunch of shit. Okay, it might just be in a completely separate thing. Alright, in which case... What the shit? Okay, in which case we're looking for socket mode. This one. Okay, this is a package. Valid Go mod file. Okay, so it's in the same module, but it's a package. Alright. I don't know what that means. Because I don't know what the difference between a package and a module is in Go. But that's alright. We'll just add this in here. Slack socket mode. Socket mode, brilliant. Alright, so we're going to do a new, so we give it a Slack client. Okay, and what options do we have? Socket mode, connection info. Looks like maybe we don't have any. Or are they functions? Okay. Alright, brilliant. Alright, so we'll just create a new client. We can do that. Socket. Sure. Socket mode dot new client. Brilliant. And does this return an error? No. Okay, sure. Okay, so calls app connections open endpoint and returns the provider's URL. Okay. And call run on it. To have a fully managed WebSocket connection, call run on it. Okay, sure. It's a blocking function that connects. Okay. The consumer of the client in this function should read the client's events channel. Okay, so there is a channel implicitly. To receive socket mode events that include client-specific events. Okay, understood. Note this function automatically reconnect on requested by Slack through a disconnect message. Okay. But the difference is what? What is this package? Deadlines, cancellations, okay. Alright, I don't think I need that. Alright, let's take a look at this example again. This looks not too bad. Where do we use client in here? Is it just for the channel? No, because we also have to acknowledge. Okay. Alright. Let's create a function. Handle events, or just handle event. Client, just client pointer. I think that's how this works. I don't even know if we're allowed to attach it as a method, but are you allowed to do that? Go attach method to foreign type? No, to type in other module? I don't know if that's allowed. Okay. Okay, fine, fine. I don't really care that much. I'm not even saying it'd be a good idea to do it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to accept a client pointer, and we're going to accept, I guess, the event. There should be a Slack client, and there should be a socket mode event, I think. And we'll return, I guess, an error. Or error, I guess. All right. And here what we're going to do is we're going to go func for EV in range socket dot events, I think. Yeah. Handle event socket EV. Okay, that looks fine. And we'll go socket.run. Okay. Do we also need events? Is that Slack events? Where does that come up? Okay. All right, sure. Sure, we'll take it. github.com/go Slack events. Maybe like that. All right, so let's try and handle event. Switch event type. I guess so. And let's open up that package as well. Where did that open? Here. Oh, is it in here? Right, but this is also here because it's a string. Interesting. You receive and handle those events from a Socket Mode client events channel. These events do not match one-to-one the Slack events. I see. So what do I do with that then? It's a string. Am I meant to look at the string? Are they constants? They are constants. Interesting. Connecting, invalid auth. Gasp, you wouldn't. Hello, disconnect. Events API, that looks good. Interactive / command. So those are the three that we saw, somewhere. Interactive / command and events. Here we go, socket mode. Interactive / command events. We'll enable / commands at some point. So those are the type of things that we can receive. We'll just look at events for now. I maybe need to top up my fire. This is a pretty good place to have a quick pause, so I shall do so.